Hi, I've been getting many private messages from my Hong Kong friends asking whether I know which cryptocurrency exchanges are currently available for buying and selling spot crypto or for trading crypto contracts normally. As we know, the major mainstream cryptocurrency exchanges no longer offer services to Hong Kong users. In this video, I will introduce Bappa Exchange, a cryptocurrency exchange that I personally found quite useful, safe, and reliable. The theme of this video is a guide on how to register and use Bappa Exchange in Hong Kong. Bappa Exchange allows Hong Kong users to complete KYC, know your customer verifications using their passports or ID cards. You don't need a VPN process or to switch nodes. You can use it normally with a Hong Kong IP. From now on, trading crypto in Hong Kong won't require sneaky workarounds or worrying about getting blocked. Let's cut to the chase and dive right in. Why do I recommend Bappa Exchange for Hong Kong users? There are four main reasons. First, the world's major crypto exchanges such as Binance, OKX, Bitget, and Binance has been unavailable to Hong Kong users for a long time. If you are using a Hong Kong IP, you can't access these platforms at all, not even for basic investment options. Second, among the exchanges that still allow locking with a Hong Kong IP and support Hong Kong identity verifications, I personally believe Bappa Exchange is the largest and most compliant. It holds the most regulatory licenses and is one of the most trustworthy options. 3. With Bappa Exchange, you can complete KYC verification using your Hong Kong ID or passport and freely trade crypto spot markets and futures contracts in Hong Kong. 4. It is extremely convenient. You don't need a VPN or foreign Apple ID to download the app. You can use Hong Kong Apple Store without worrying about certain restrictions. Now that I've explained why I recommend Bappa Exchange, let's take a closer look at what Bappa Exchange actually is. What is Bappa Exchange? The main reason I trust and use Bappa Exchange and why I recommend it is that it is fully regulated exchange backed by jump trading, a high-frequency trading firm in the US. Yes, it is a compliant exchange. Bappa Exchange team has a strong financial background, specializing in high-frequency tradings and financial services with ample funding to back the platforms. Most importantly, FTX originally supported Bappa Exchange. After FTX collapsed, Bappa acquired FTX's entire European business, including its regulatory licenses. Currently, Bappa Exchange holds multiple high-volume regulatory licenses, not just minor or obscure ones. You can do your research. Based on my research and experience, I can confidently say that Bappa Exchange is not a shady or unregulated platform. It allows Hong Kong users to complete KYC, trade spot cryptos, and trade spot contracts, all without restriction. What license does Bappa Exchange hold? Bappa Exchange has acquired several high-volume licenses, including the European 4-category financial license. This was acquired when Bappa took over FTX's entire European operations, including all regulatory approvals. Bappa fully covered FTX's European financial liabilities after these acquisitions. Interestingly, after investigation, I found that Bappa's European license is the same as Goldman Sachs' European license. This license allows trading in crypto spot markets, perpetual contracts, derivatives, and even traditional financial assets like stock and bonds. Second, due by cryptocurrency exchange license. Among major exchanges, only a few like Binance hold this license, making it highly valuable. Third, Australia's cryptocurrency exchange license. Fourth, Italy's cryptocurrency exchange license. Fifth, Poland cryptocurrency exchange license. Sixth, Lithuanians and several other European countries exchange license. Last, Japan's cryptocurrency exchange license pending approval. If approved, Bappa will hold at least several major regulatory licenses worldwide. How safe is Bappa Exchange? From a compliance and licensing perspective, I personally believe Bappa Exchange is one of the safest and most regulated options. How to register for Bappa Exchange? If you want to sign up for Bappa Exchange, I strongly recommend using the link below this video or entering the referral code 40CAT when registering. This is very important for crypto traders. Take a closer look at how to earn risk-free profits on Bappa Exchange and what kind of profits we are talking about. The risk-free earning features on Bappa Exchange comes from its spot lending system, which is one of my favorite features of this platform. It not only allows me to earn passive income without any risk, but also greatly enhance capital efficiency, allowing me to leverage the same funds in multiple ways. Let me explain in details. At the top of the homepage, click the land button to enter the landing page. Let's take a closer look at PC version of the landing page. The landing page is very straightforward. Crypto assets, you can lend them out to other users and earn interest in returns. Click USDC in the top left corner, and you will enter the USDC landing page. Bappa Exchange currently supports 5 assets for spot lending: USDT, USDT, Solana, Asians, Bitcoin. At this moment, the annual lending rate APY for USDC is 3.12%, which is quite high, right? And it is a flexible saving rate, meaning you can withdraw anytime. Even better, you can earn interest while you're still using your USDC as margin for trading. Why this is better than other exchanges? On other exchanges like Binance, Bitcoin, or OKX, if you want to earn interest on USDC or USDT, you usually have to lock your funds into a saving program, meaning you lose access to them while earning interest. However, on Binance Exchange, everything is decided based on the cross-margin model. This means your USDC can be simultaneously used for lending and as margin for trading. You don't have to lock your funds, you earn interest while keeping full flexibility over your capital. When we click on USDC, we can see the following lending information. Total available 7.2 million USDC. Total lent 8.7 million USDC. Lending limits 16 million USDC. Current APY annual year 3.13%. Below this, you will see the interest rate curve and additional borrowing data. How does Binance Exchange make money from this? The platform profits from the interest rate spread, the difference between borrowing and lending rate. On the right side of the landing page, you will find the lend borrow sections. To lend out your crypto and earn interest, follow these steps. Make sure you have USDC in your account. Enter the amount you want to lend, for example 10 USDC. Click lend and that's it. The system will automatically match borrowers and you will start earning interest every hour. If you want to automate your lending, follow these steps. Click portfolio in the top right corner to enter the spot trading page. You will see that USDC has been lent out, earning 3.13% annual passive income. Go to settings and you will find an option for auto lending. Enable auto lending and the system will automatically lend out any available USDC, Solana, Bitcoin, USDT agents. Now, anytime you have these assets in your accounts, they will automatically lend out to earn passive income without any extra efforts. Which assets is the best for lending? Right now, USDC offers the highest lending rate among the supported assets. Although other assets has lower yields, it is still better than earning nothing. Since most traders use USDT for crypto and futures trading, holding USDC is a safer and more stable option for maximizing passive income. At this point, some of you may be wondering why is the USDC lending annual percentage yield on Binance is so high? Let me explain. This is because Binance Exchange is built on a cross-margin mode with portfolio margining, which is the platform fundamental design. As I mentioned earlier, all trading pairs on Binance Exchange are dominated in USDC, whether it is spot trading, futures trading, perpetual contracts, even the underlying margin system follows a portfolio margining approach. What is portfolio margining? Portfolio margining means that any cryptocurrency you hold can be used as a margin to trade other crypto contracts. This creates an automatic borrowing demand. For example, let's say that I own Bitcoins but don't want to sell it. At the same time, I want to trade Solana futures either long or short. Instead of selling Bitcoins, I deposit it into Binance Exchange and use Bitcoin as margin to trade Solana contracts. But what's actually happening behind the scenes? When I open a 1000 futures contract, Binance Exchange use my Bitcoin as collateral and automatically lends me USDC to trade that perpetual contract. This mechanism improves capital efficiency by letting users trade without selling their assets, automatically generates borrowing and lending demand for USDC, increasing its lending APY. This is why USDC lending rates on Binance Exchange are so attractive. In addition to lending information, you can also click models to view more details. Binance Exchange lending rate model is very similar to more for on-chain lending protocol. Let's break it down. Lending rate can act as overall lending pool utilization rates, while as annual borrowing interest rates. Trade as utilization increases, the borrowing rate also raises. Key points on this curve. When utilization is 70%, the borrowing APY reaches 10%. When utilization hits 90%, the curve becomes steep and borrowing rates increase rapidly. What happens when borrowing rates spike? Borrowers face high interest costs, encouraging quick repayment. New lenders are attracted to deposit USDC and then passive income. This cycle balances the lending pool utilizations and stabilizes the rates. This self-regulating lending model is what makes USDC a source of risk-free passive income. That is the fundamental logic behind why you can earn high risk-free returns on USDC lending. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.